tyrant lizard, ruler of the prehistoric world, and arguably the most popular and iconic dinosaur Pokémon of all time. Tyrantrum has always instilled a certain fascination in both laymen and professional paleontologists alike, not only due to its sheer size and power, but also as one of the most advanced and specialized of ancient reptilian Pokémon to ever walk the Earth. The successful revival of this magnificent beast in early 2013 by Galosian scientists has been an international sensation and is widely held as one of the greatest milestones of modern paleontology. What sets Tyrantrum apart from previous carnivores is numerous unique adaptations which allowed it to rise to the very top of the food chain of its time. Tyrantrum's most revolutionary trait has to be its extreme bite force, which is considered the strongest of all known terrestrial animals in the past and present and is estimated to exceed that of modern Feraligatr, the record holder among contemporary Pokémon, by 3 to 4 times. Unlike other predatory dinosaurs, which relied mostly on slashing wounds to slowly bring down larger prey through blood loss, Tyrantrum's bone-crushing bite to the neck would kill the prey in an instant, allowing it to hunt far faster and more efficiently than its competition and take on herbivores that no other predator could, such as the heavily armored Bastiodon and even the enormous Aurorus, whenever available. The source of Tyrantrum's immense bite force lies in the particular design of its skull, which is distinctively broad and boxy and possesses especially large fenestral openings in order to accommodate the enormous jaw muscles. A special joint in the lower jaw helped distribute the incurring forces more evenly and prevented the Pokémon from breaking its own jaws with its powerful bites. Furthermore, the serrated blade-like fangs usually seen in carnivorous species are replaced with huge conical teeth specifically designed to withstand enormous pressure, allowing them to survive at least a few bites at full force before inevitably breaking and being replaced by new teeth. The notion that Tyrantrum indeed hunted for its food is supported by the alignment of its eyes towards the front, granting it a certain extent of stereo vision useful for pursuing moving prey. With its uncharacteristically long legs and a surprisingly light build in proportion to its body size, Tyrantrum was certainly capable of outrunning all but the fastest prey of its time. There are, however, indicators that the king of the dinosaur Pokémon may have preferred more of a scavenging lifestyle over the tedious task of having to hunt itself. For instance, Tyrantrum's long legs are also notable for having a longer calf than thigh, a very unusual configuration among ancient carnivorous species, which is generally associated with high endurance rather than sprinting capacity, and something that would definitely come in handy when searching for leftovers. Another indicator can be found in Tyrantrum's brain, which is remarkably large for a Pokémon of its size but dedicated mostly towards the olfactory bulb, the region responsible for a Pokémon's sense of smell. There is still lots of discussion to be had among paleontologists regarding Tyrantrum's exact feeding habits, but in the end most will agree that it would have acted as both a fierce predator and highly efficient scavenger to some extent, filling a unique niche at the top of the food chain that no other Pokémon could ever hope to challenge.